Welcome to Snip Gossip. Timothy Busfield, a veteran Hollywood actor and director best known for his work on 30-something, The West Wing, and as a respected figure behind the camera, is now at the center of one of the most disturbing scandals to hit the American entertainment industry in recent years. In January 2026, Busfield was arrested in Albuquerque, New Mexico, following a months-long investigation into allegations of child sexual abuse connected to a television production set. Authorities say the alleged victims are twin boys who were just 11 years old at the time and were working as child actors on the Fox series The Cleaning Lady. According to court documents, prosecutors alleged that Busfield engaged in criminal sexual contact with the minors during the period between 2022 and 2024. The charges filed against him include 2 counts of criminal sexual contact of a minor and 1 count of child abuse. These are felony charges carrying severe potential prison sentences if he is convicted. Investigators say the alleged abuse occurred while Busfield was in a position of authority and trust, both as an adult on set and as a director working closely with the children. Prosecutors state that the alleged conduct caused serious emotional and psychological harm. One of the boys has reportedly been diagnosed with post-traumatic stress disorder and severe anxiety following the incidents described in the filing. On January 13, 2026, Timothy Busfield surrendered himself to law enforcement and made his first appearance in court shortly after. During that appearance, a judge ordered that he be held without bond, citing the seriousness of the charges, the vulnerability of the alleged victims, and concerns raised by prosecutors about public safety. As the case unfolded, prosecutors revealed that this was not the only accusation attached to Busfield's name. Court filings introduced a separate allegation involving a now-adult woman who claims she was sexually abused by Busfield when she was 16 years old. This alleged incident reportedly took place years earlier at a theater company Busfield founded, where he was again in a leadership role over young performers. That allegation has not yet resulted in additional charges, but it has been entered into the record as part of the prosecution's broader argument that this was not an isolated situation. The district attorney's office also publicly criticized Warner Brothers, the studio involved with The Cleaning Lady, accusing the company of limited cooperation during the early stages of the investigation. Prosecutors stated that access to internal materials and communications was slower than expected while allegations involving minors were being examined. Busfield has publicly denied all accusations. In a video released after his arrest, he described the claims as lies and said he intends to fight the charges in court. His legal team has echoed that position, stating that he maintains his innocence. His wife, actress Melissa Gilbert, has not made formal public statements addressing the details of the case. Her social media presence went quiet as news of the arrest spread, drawing further attention from both fans and critics. The case has sent shockwaves through Hollywood, particularly among parents of child actors and industry professionals. The allegations involve not only criminal acts but the abuse of access, power, and trust within a professional environment meant to protect minors. A preliminary hearing is scheduled for later this month, where prosecutors are expected to present evidence supporting the charges and argue for the case to proceed to trial. If the case moves forward, Busfield could face years in prison if convicted on all counts. As of now, Timothy Busfield remains in custody, his decades-long career overshadowed by allegations that have permanently altered his public image. What was once a respected name associated with award-winning television is now tied to one of the most serious criminal cases involving child actors in recent memory. This case is ongoing, the charges are active, and the outcome remains in the hands of the court.